Are you tired of the daily grind and searching for ways to make money while you sleep? Well, you're in luck because in this video, we're going to dive into the world of passive income. That's right, we're bringing you not just one, but 10 amazing ideas to help you generate money on autopilot. So get ready to sit back, relax, and discover the secrets to creating passive income streams that will keep the cash flowing even when you're not actively working. Let's jump right into it. Creating a mobile app is a profitable passive income idea that can provide a steady revenue stream over time. By designing and developing an app that meets the needs of a specific target audience, one can generate income through various channels. Monetization options, such as in-app purchases, advertisements, and subscriptions, offer opportunities for app creators to earn passive income. Once the app is launched and established in app stores, it has the potential to generate ongoing revenue without requiring continuous effort. With careful planning, effective marketing strategies, and regular updates to enhance user experience, a well-designed mobile app can become a successful source of passive income. Renting assets is a popular and high-paying passive income idea that offers individuals an opportunity to generate consistent cash flow without active involvement. One of the most common forms of renting assets is real estate, where property owners can lease out residential or commercial spaces to tenants. This method allows owners to benefit from regular rental payments while the property appreciates in value over time. Another option is renting out vehicles, such as cars, boats, or RVs, which can be profitable, particularly in tourist destinations or densely populated areas. Renting assets is an excellent way to diversify income streams and achieve financial freedom with minimal effort and risk. One passive income idea that has gained significant popularity: YouTube automation. YouTube, one of the world's largest video sharing platforms, offers numerous opportunities for content creators to generate income. With YouTube automation, individuals can use technology to streamline their video production, optimization, and monetization processes. This involves utilizing tools and software to automate video uploading, keyword research, thumbnail creation, and editing. By implementing these automation techniques, YouTubers can free up their time and focus on creating high-quality content while earning passive income through ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and other monetization strategies. YouTube automation provides a scalable and efficient approach for content creators to generate passive income while maximizing their reach and engagement on the platform. Affiliate marketing is a popular and effective passive income idea that has gained significant traction in recent years. It involves promoting products or services on behalf of a company and earning a commission for each sale or lead generated through your referral. As an affiliate marketer, you can use several platforms such as websites, blogs, social media, and email marketing to reach a wider audience. By creating engaging content, using SEO strategies, and building a loyal following, you can increase your chances of driving traffic and conversions for the affiliated products. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its potential for passive income. Once you've set up your marketing channels and established a steady flow of traffic, you can continue to earn commissions on autopilot, even when you're not actively promoting. Creating and selling digital art has become a high-income and accessible passive income idea. With the use technology or even artificial intelligence and the rise of online platforms, artists now have the opportunity to showcase their artistic skills and further monetize their creations. By leveraging graphic design software and digital tools, artists can unleash their creativity and produce captivating artworks, ranging from illustrations and digital paintings to photography and 3D renders. These digital art pieces can be sold as prints, posters, or even digital downloads, allowing artists to reach a global audience. The best part of this passive income stream lies in its scalability. The initial effort put into creating the artwork can generate ongoing sales, providing artists with a continuous stream of revenue while gaining recognition and building a loyal customer base. Whether through online marketplaces, social media platforms, or personal websites, Artists can unlock their entrepreneurial potential and turn their passion for art into a sustainable source of passive income. One popular passive income idea is to create and sell online courses. With the rise of e-learning platforms and the increasing demand for online education, creating your own course can be profitable. You can use your expertise in a specific field or niche and share your knowledge with a global audience. Whether it's teaching a foreign language, providing marketing strategies, or offering cooking tutorials, there are endless possibilities for creating valuable content. Once you have developed your course materials, such as video lectures, worksheets, and quizzes, you can set up a platform to host and sell your courses. Effective marketing and promotion can attract students and generate income from your courses, even while you sleep. By investing your time and effort upfront, creating and selling online courses can be a rewarding source of passive income in the long run. One passive income idea is to build and monetize a blog. Creating a blog allows you to share your expertise, interests, or experiences with a wide audience. To start, you need to choose a niche or topic you know and are passionate about. Once you have established your blog and gained a steady readership, there are several ways to monetize it. One option is through display advertising, where you can partner with ad networks to display ads on your blog and earn revenue based on the number of clicks or impressions. Another option is affiliate marketing, where you promote products or services on your blog and earn a commission for any sales generated through your referral. Also, you can create and sell your digital products, such as ebooks, online courses, or membership subscriptions. Building and monetizing a blog can generate passive income over time by consistently creating valuable content while using various monetization strategies. One passive income idea is to start a dropshipping store. Dropshipping is a business model that allows entrepreneurs to sell products to customers without carrying any inventory. Instead, the store owner purchases the items from a third-party supplier, who then ships the products directly to the customer. This eliminates the need for storage space and reduces upfront costs. With a dropshipping store, you can focus on marketing and customer service, while the supplier takes care of inventory management and order fulfillment. It provides an opportunity to generate passive income, as you can set up automated systems to handle most aspects of the business, allowing you to earn money while you sleep. A dropshipping store can become a profitable source of passive income by selecting the right niche, finding reliable suppliers, and effectively promoting your products. Dividend stocks are an excellent passive income idea for investors seeking to generate consistent investment earnings. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of regular dividend payments. Individuals can benefit from potential capital appreciation and regular cash flow by investing in dividend stocks. Dividend payments can provide a steady stream of passive income, allowing investors to earn money without actively participating in the company's day-to-day operations. With careful research and selection, investors can build a diversified portfolio of dividend stocks across various industries, enabling them to enjoy a reliable income stream while benefiting from potential long-term growth. Real estate investment offers a wide array of passive income opportunities. For example, purchasing rental properties can generate consistent cash flow through monthly rental payments. Investing in real estate investment trusts is another passive income option where individuals can buy shares in professionally managed properties and receive dividends based on the portfolio's performance. Also, one can explore real estate crowdfunding platforms, which allow investors to pool their resources to finance larger real estate projects and earn returns on their investments. Another popular method is investing in vacation rentals, where property owners can rent out their homes or apartments on platforms like Airbnb, providing a steady income stream. So, real estate investment provides individuals with various passive income streams to grow their wealth while diversifying their investment portfolio. Thank you for joining us today as we explored 10 passive income ideas. We hope this video has inspired you and provided valuable insights into generating income streams that can work for you, even while you sleep. Building passive income takes time and effort, but the rewards and money can be life-changing. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more valuable content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.